And these are the live visuals of Prime Minister Modi attending the central event at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in New Delhi today, where he will address the gathering and release a commemorative stamp and coin. A mass singing of the full version of Vande Mataram will take place simultaneously across public venues nationwide. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will also join the celebrations from BJP state office in Patna at 10 a.m. today, participating in a collective recital to mark the song's enduring legacy in the India's freedom movement. As we know that India celebrates the historic milestone today as 150 years of the national song Vande Mataram, penned by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1875. The BJP is organizing special programs at 150 iconic locations across the country to honor the occasion. Prime Minister Modi, as we can see on our screens, is attending the central event at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Indoor Stadium in New Delhi today, where he will address the gathering and release a commemorative stamp and coin on this occasion. And a mass singing of the full version of Vande Mataram will also take place simultaneously across public venues nationwide today. As you know that Home Minister Amit Shah is also set to join the celebrations from BJP state office in Patna at 10 a.m. today, participating in a collective recital to mark the song's enduring legacy. As you can see on the screens that Prime Minister Modi is right now we are joined by Ankur on this broadcast. Ankur, Prime Minister Modi is leading the celebrations. How do you see this?
Government has decided to celebrate this national Vande Mataram song for 150 year completed the song, and the government has decided to celebrate this for a whole 1 year, and the government has decided to divide this celebration into 4 parts. And the first phase would be starting from today, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is already there, and he will be launching various programs. And also the phase 2 will be starting around 26th January, which is Republic Day. Around Republic Day, government will be promoting the Vande Mataram song, and after that the phase 3 will be starting around 15th of August, which is Independence Day, and various ministries have been asked to task. They have been tasked by the Culture Ministry. Culture Ministry is basically working as nodal agency for this, and they have the ministry has asked all the ministries to basically perform various programs regarding their ministries, and various ministries are also doing their celebration. For example, the Ministry of Home Affairs has asked CAPS, Central Armed Police Forces, that their bands will be performing throughout the year till next year 7th of November at the various locations, various places during Independence Day as well as Republic Day. And the last phase would be from 1st to 7th November 2026. So government has planned a complete detailed program to celebrate 150 years of Vande Mataram song. Importantly, this time the Republic Day theme, which is the government has decided 2 themes. One is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Another theme is Vande Mataram song. So Vande Mataram basically. So this reflects the deep-rooted spirit of Vande Mataram song to unite and make the country more independent. So the government has prepared a full-fledged plan to basically celebrate this 150 years of Vande Mataram song. Back to you.
Right, Ankur. Ankur, there were many controversies surrounding Vande Mataram. If you could tell our viewers about that as well.
So there are controversies that various groups have raised objection that their songs should not be played at various government functions. But since the order has been issued by the Culture Ministry and Government of India, in fact on 1st of October, it was cleared by Cabinet, and PM Modi himself cleared everything regarding the celebration of Vande Mataram song. So certainly all the departments, all the states, all the government departments will be celebrating this for sure, and certainly there are other groups also who are celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram song.
Right, Ankur. Ankur, BJP is also organizing special programs at 150 locations across the country. What do you make of that?
BJP has also planned to celebrate this Vande Mataram song 150 years the song has completed. So it's primarily the kind of political thing. But since the BJP is the ruling party and the government is also celebrating, so collectively we will be in next few months we will be seeing that Vande Mataram at various platforms, be it government platform or the political platform, multiple times this Vande Mataram songs will be played and it will be getting promoted like anything.
Ankur, stay on with us as we are also joined by Payal Mehta on this broadcast. Payal, there were many controversies surrounding the song Vande Mataram. If you could tell our viewers about that.
Well, of course, there have been multiple controversies that have been surrounding Vande Mataram right from the Nehru times, to of course the way in which the Congress party is really dealt with it. But the BJP feels that anything which invokes nationalist sentiments, anything that talks about unity in diversity should be promoted as well. And therefore, I am at one such location where Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be participating in the Vande Mataram celebration that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be spearheading. In some time from now, we will see the Union Home Minister participate in that as well. The BJP is constantly of the opinion that anything which is actually nationalistic in nature should be promoted and we should participate in that. So, top ministers in the government will be participating in that. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be spearheading it. 150 locations and 150 years of Vande Mataram, you can actually see. If I can ask my video journalist Rahul to show you, he'll show you actually the kind of preparations that have been placed at the Patna office as well. It's being celebrated like a festival. Anand Andolan Vande Mataram. स्वदेशी अपनाए यही सच्ची वंदे मातरम की पुकार है. What our ancestors have said, what our forefathers of the freedom struggle have really said, all of this is going to be celebrated in a big manner. It's just a matter of time.
वंदे वंदे। आभार आप सभी का। निवेदन आप सभी से, सभी अपना अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। सभी विराजें अपने स्थान पर। देवियों सज्जनों, बीते 150 वर्षों से
Okay, so the Prime Minister seated there on the stage. This is Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in the national capital. You see the sea of audiences there set to witness this historic celebration of 150 years of Vande Mataram, India's national song. I do want to go across to Payal Mehta, who's joining us live from Patna BJP office. Payal, take us through the colours that you're witnessing there. I'm sure they're no different from what we're seeing on our screens. The Prime Minister seated on the stage perhaps will also be addressing the audience in just a bit. But before that, over to you for the latest. Tell us more.
Well, we are at the Patna office of the BJP, and I'm going to ask my video journalist Rahul to just show us what is around as well. You can see people, filled into the capacity over here at the headquarters. There has been a lot of preparation that has gone into it to, in fact, showcase to the world what Vande Mataram and its significance really means to India. As we begin the celebration of 150 years of Vande Mataram, students are queued up over here. In their hand, they have, what they do have is a copy of the Vande Mataram. And of course, which is the full version of the Vande Mataram that they're going to be singing as well. And in a few minutes from now, the Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, will be arriving at Kritzveen and participating in the historic singing of Vande Mataram, its full version that is just completed in the national capital. The BJP is organizing this. The BJP government is organizing this in 150 places to mark the 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram.
Okay, Payal, we'll come back to you in just a bit. Thank you for showing us around. I do want to go across to Ankur Sharma, who joins us live from newsroom. Ankur, we do know the significance attached to our national song, and this is an attempt to celebrate it across the country. 150 iconic locations, as Payal pointed out, will be witnessing celebrations from Kargil Memorial to Andamans. We're going to witness the same colours and the same fervour across the country. What's the thought that's gone into these celebrations, and have we seen something like this in the past?
Certainly not. This is the first time when India is celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram song, and in fact on the 1st of October there was a cabinet meeting which was held by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in that meeting he decided that India will be celebrating Vande Mataram song 150 years, completion of 150 years. And after that multiple communications were sent to all the ministries, and it was also decided that apart from the exhibition and various efforts by the ministry, the Central Armed Police Forces and other forces state police bands will be playing Vande Mataram songs across all the places throughout the year, be it on 26th of January, which is Republic Day, and Independence Day. Apart from this, at the equal interval, the government will be celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram song through different ways. In fact, other ministries have also been asked, for example, Education Ministry has been asked to educate children about the contribution of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, who wrote this Vande Mataram song, his values, what exactly he wanted to communicate through this song. So everything has been planned at a mass level for the first time in the history of India. Back to you.
Okay, thank you for that, Ankur. Going across to Payal Mehta on that note. Once again, Payal, the Prime Minister has also on social media expressed his feelings on what he makes of these grand celebrations as India celebrates 150 years of Vande Mataram. Take us through that personal message. We're counting down to the Prime Minister addressing the audience here in the national capital.
Well, the Prime Minister leads the country as far as, invoking the fervour of nationalism is really concerned, and that's been the stated position that the Prime Minister put out on his social media post. Multiple ministers in the government also put that out in the social media post, and they want to live this nationalism just not in words but also in spirit as well. And therefore, this preparation is, I'm going to show you what's happening here at the Patna office of the BJP. You have Dharmendra Pradhan over here, you have multiple leaders over here who are actually participating in this program, which is of great significance, great importance. But the Vande Mataram has gone through a journey of sorts as well over the last 150 years, and that is something which we have really witnessed. Samrat Chaudhary is here, several top ministers in the Bihar government are here. It's just a matter of time before the Union Home Minister arrives over here and the official function really begins as well. But what Vande Mataram means for India, what it means, for our freedom fighters to actually, bring in what we are today. We are the world's largest democracy. That has been quite a journey as well. Now, Vande Mataram has also gone through a transformation over the years, with some truncated version also being, used throughout the last many years. But this time around, whenever the Vande Mataram is being recited or is being, mass recited, if I may say so, it's being done in its full version. The Prime Minister has constantly been of the opinion that it is important to understand that in this multipolar world, it is very important to stay united, to have the spirit of nationalism really going, and the spirit that tells you that, we are all Indians first and anything else later as well. So, big participation coming in from the students over here as well that you see. And there has been a festive kind of environment here at the Patna office, with, we've seen an exhibition of sorts being put out. And one of those posters which have been put out says, स्वदेशी अपनाए यही सच्ची वंदे मातरम की पुकार है, आनंद मत आंदोलन वंदे मातरम. Vande Mataram, the Vande Mataram has been put out in various languages to tell you what unity in diversity really means, Krithvi. We'll have to just wait and see what the address of the nation, to the nation, the Prime Minister will hold in some time for now. But it's going to be a festive kind of an environment all over the country, like Ankur was just mentioning. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Northeast, you will see these participations happening everywhere. The Union Home Minister, the second in command in terms of the BJP, and also one of the most senior ministers in the government, is going to be participating at this dais in a short while from now.
Okay, and the visuals we see on the right side of our screens is moments before the Prime Minister reached the dais there to celebrate 150 years of Vande Mataram. This was him inaugurating a year-long commemoration of 150 years of the national song Vande Mataram. So those are the visuals from a little while earlier. But Payal was speaking about the Prime Minister's message. I do want to quickly recap the same for our viewers. The Prime Minister took to social media, he said, and this was last evening, he said, November 7 will be a historic day for the countrymen. We're going to celebrate the glorious 150 years of Vande Mataram song. This is that inspiring call which has imbued many generations of the country with the spirit of patriotism. On this special occasion, we will have the privilege of participating in a ceremony in Delhi. So he's speaking of the visuals we see on the left side of our screens, and the commemorative postage stamp and coin that have been released as well. The collective singing of Vande Mataram, he says, will be the main attraction of this event. So the Prime Minister is scheduled to speak in just a short while from now. Payal, interestingly, the celebrations are not limited to today alone, 7th of November. They're going to go on till the 26th of November, which coincidentally is also Constitution Day. So what has the government planned for the next few days, essentially?
Well, the government has had multiple programs that are in place as far as this is concerned, but this is going to be a year-long celebration of the Vande Mataram that you're talking about. It gets underway today. Of course, 26th of November is when Constitution Day. Constitution Day has also been famous and infamous for a number of reasons. Constitution Day has been celebrated in a big manner ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has come to power in the centre. But in the last couple of years, you've seen a boycott happening from the opposition parties. Even the big celebration that took place, a year or something ago in the parliament, that was also boycotted by the opposition, clearly, blaming the Narendra Modi government for trying to, take control of multiple things as well. The constitution is dead. Constitution doesn't exist. It's a wonderful year, this time around. This is also the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also, which has gotten underway just a few days ago as well. And the government has grand plans to celebrate that as well. They've involved in a lot of youth forums to, in fact, participate in that, because Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also stood for one thing, Krithvi, he stood for uniting the entire country. He was called the great Iron Man of India, somebody who stood for India as a united force as well. So all of these occasions coming to the fore, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has never been shy of, in fact, giving credit to the freedom fighters of the country who deserve that never got the due, whether it was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or Mahatma Gandhi on the other hand as well, because the Gandhi and the Nehru Parivar were the only thing that was glorified by the Congress government. That's been the allegation that has come in, and politics has already started to play out on this entire matter as well.
Okay, Payal, stay on with us. A lot of reactions coming in. Essentially, Vande Mataram, of course, is our national song, and it's remembered for that. It's sung in schools almost on a daily basis, in school assemblies. So that's what we fondly remember when we talk about the song. But it also goes back all the way to India's independence struggle. It is one song that revolutionaries, many freedom fighters sang when they went to the gallows. They kept chanting Vande Mataram, and in that sense, even history has had this song very close to its heart in the Indian context, isn't it, Payal? That's why the government of the day perhaps thought 150 years is a landmark moment to celebrate all those days, those struggles, those ups and downs that the country has witnessed all in all.
Well, from the time that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has come to the power in the centre, they have been saying one thing for sure. If you remember, Kritsveen, this was the same government that actually reached out to people in various parts of the country saying that, if you have any freedom fighters who are unrecognized, bring them to the fore, we will recognize them. So the unsung heroes of India's freedom struggle have also been given their due in some way or the other by the Modi government. That's been the sentiment that has been evoked in as well. Vande Mataram is no strange. Like you're saying, it's sung in school assemblies, it's sung in various government programs as well. That's something which actually binds India. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's contribution cannot be undermined in any manner whatsoever as well, because this is a song which actually united people's spirits in a big way as well. And this is the 150th year celebration, a big occasion as well. It's being celebrated like a festival by the Modi government. I am at one such location, where of course the celebrations are taking place, and anytime now the Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah will be coming in and he'll be participating in that. But the stage has been set as far as that is concerned. Prime Minister Narendra Modi leading the country into that celebration of 150 years of Vande Mataram. Again, something which invokes the spirit of patriotism, of unity in diversity, of course being together as well. So nationalism is something which is the need of the hour as well. The Prime Minister often says that you might agree or disagree with a political outfit, but you needn't agree, or disagree. You shouldn't be, against the spirit of the country. That is something which has been said time and again by the government of the day as well, and therefore this celebration just gets underway. And sooner you will have the Constitution Day celebration also, hopefully, in Parliament this time around, because you have the new Parliament also in place.
So the celebrations are going to be leading up to 26th of November. That coincides with the Constitution Day. Thank you so much, Payal, for joining us with all those details. We need